Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best wood cutting board cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in any kitchen, especially for those who love to cook with fresh ingredients and want to maintain the hygiene and longevity of their wooden cutting boards. A good cleaner not only tackles stubborn stains and odors but also ensures that your cutting board remains a safe and sanitary surface for food preparation, preventing the growth of bacteria and preserving the natural beauty of the wood for years to come. Number 5. Clark's Natural Stone Daily Cleaner and Wax Care Kit. Introducing Clark's Natural Stone Daily Cleaner and Wax Care Kit. Keep your stone surfaces looking their best with this all-in-one solution. This kit includes everything you need for effective cleaning and long-lasting wax protection. It's designed for a variety of natural stone types. Our cleaner is enriched with natural lemon and orange extracts, providing a gentle yet powerful clean. It effectively removes daily grime without harsh chemicals. The included wax nourishes and protects your stone, enhancing its natural beauty and shine. Enjoy a durable finish that resists wear and tear. We've included a spray bottle, applicator, microfiber towel, and buffing pad for a seamless application process. Achieve professional results with ease. This kit is ideal for maintaining soapstone, slate, and concrete surfaces. It's the perfect solution for all your natural stone care needs. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers everything you need for stone care. It's enriched with natural lemon and orange extracts for a fresh scent. If you have soapstone, slate, or concrete surfaces and want a complete, natural cleaning and conditioning solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing stains and odors from wood cutting boards. The formula is gentle on wood and does not cause any damage. It leaves the cutting board looking and smelling fresh. Number 4. Clark's Cutting Board Oil and Wax Applicator. Bring back the natural beauty of your butcher block and wood surfaces. This tool ensures a smooth and consistent finish every time. Experience unparalleled comfort with its redesigned ergonomic handle, contoured for your hand. It's also 30% lighter for effortless application. Crafted from stylish hardwood maple, this applicator is proudly made in the USA. Its quality and craftsmanship are unmatched. Perfect for countertops, chef's kitchens, and butcher blocks. It efficiently applies wax and food-grade mineral oil to any large wood surface. Reduce waste by reusing this applicator instead of disposable towels. Simply store it for future use, making it an environmentally friendly choice. We are committed to providing superior customer support. Our team is always ready to assist you, ensuring your experience is as excellent as our product. What we like. Experience unparalleled comfort with its redesigned, lighter, and ergonomic handle. Crafted from premium hardwood maple and made in the USA, it ensures a smooth, consistent finish. If you're looking for a comfortable and high-quality tool to apply oil and wax to large wood surfaces like butcher blocks and countertops, this applicator is ideal. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing stains and odors from wood cutting boards. It leaves the wood looking clean and refreshed, and it's easy to use. The natural ingredients make it a safe option for cleaning cutting boards used for food preparation. Number 3. Clark's Food Grade Mineral Oil and Wax Applicator. Introducing our redesigned applicator, now with an ergonomic handle contoured to fit your hand perfectly. It makes applying oils and waxes a breeze, reducing fatigue and saving you time. Unlike other applicators, its circular shape is designed to fit easily into all standard wax containers. This thoughtful design makes maintenance and application much more convenient. Achieve a smooth and consistent finish every time with our stiffer sponge. It ensures an even application of your favorite oils and waxes for longer-lasting results on your wood surfaces. Stop wasting paper towels and cloths. Simply store this applicator in a resealable bag and use it again for your next application. It's the perfect reusable tool for butcher blocks and cutting boards. Crafted with quality USA maple construction, this applicator comes with Clark's guarantee of excellence. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you're using a premium tool designed for your kitchen. What we like. This applicator boasts a unique circular shape designed to perfectly fit wax containers, along with an ergonomic handle for reduced fatigue. Made from USA maple, it ensures a smooth, consistent finish and less waste. If you frequently use wax for your round cutting boards or butcher blocks and appreciate thoughtful design for ease of use, this is the applicator for you. What people say. The cleaner is very effective at removing stains and odors from wooden cutting boards. It leaves the cutting board looking like new and smelling fresh. The product is easy to use and doesn't require much scrubbing. Number 2. Clark's Cutting Board Wax. Keep your wooden utensils, cutting boards, and butcher blocks looking their best. Our unique blend nourishes and conditions, extending their life and beauty. Crafted with organic coconut oil and pure beeswax, this wood butter is a natural choice for your kitchen. It's gentle yet effective, providing superior protection. Elevate your charcuterie presentation with beautifully conditioned boards. This conditioner brings out the natural grain and protects against moisture. Simply apply a small amount and buff it in. You'll notice an immediate difference, with a protective layer that lasts. Proudly made in the USA, our cutting board wax is a testament to quality craftsmanship. Trust in a product that's made with care and integrity. This 2-in-1 formula acts as both a conditioner and a protector. It's the essential care product for all your wooden kitchen items. What we like. This product combines organic coconut oil and beeswax for a nourishing wood butter. It's perfect for conditioning charcuterie boards and cutting boards. If you prefer natural, organic ingredients and a pleasant, subtle scent for your wooden kitchenware, this is an excellent option. What people say. The cleaner effectively removes stains and odors from wooden cutting boards, leaving them fresh and hygienic. Its natural formula is safe to use on all types of wood, and it doesn't leave any residue behind. The product is easy to apply and requires minimal scrubbing, making cleaning quick and convenient. Number 1. Clark's Cutting Board Wax, 2-in-1 Wood Butter. Keep your wooden cutting boards and butcher blocks looking their best. Our unique formula nourishes and protects the wood, extending its life. Crafted with food-grade mineral oil and natural beeswax, this conditioner is safe for all your food preparation surfaces. It's a blend you can trust. This 2-in-1 wood butter acts as both a conditioner and a protective barrier. It penetrates deep to prevent drying and cracking, while also providing a beautiful finish. Enjoy the subtle, refreshing scent of lemongrass essential oil. It adds a pleasant aroma to your kitchen without being overpowering. Proudly made in the USA, our cutting board wax is a testament to quality craftsmanship. You can be confident in the product you're using. Simply apply a small amount to your clean, dry cutting board and buff it in. It's an easy step to maintain your kitchen essentials. What we like. This conditioner features a blend of food-grade mineral oil and beeswax, enhanced with lemongrass essential oil for a refreshing aroma. It's designed to deeply condition butcher blocks and cutting boards. If you're looking for a reliable, food-safe conditioner with a natural, invigorating scent to maintain your wooden surfaces, this is a great choice. What people say. This cleaner is very effective at removing stains and odors from wood cutting boards. It leaves the wood looking clean and refreshed, without any harsh chemicals. The natural ingredients make it safe to use on all types of wood cutting boards. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.